Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to remove Evernote from your phone. Let's begin. To remove the Evernote app from your phone, you just have to follow these steps for your specific operating system. Now, it's kind of like different steps if you're using the iPhone or iOS, but for Android, all I have to do is find the Evernote application. So you need to go to the homepage of your device. As you can see, this is the Evernote. All I have to do is simply press and hold the app, and there should be an option here that says uninstall. It's really easy. Click the uninstall button, and then as you can see, there should be a notification that you are trying to uninstall this app. All right. So I'm gonna click on OK, and basically the Evernote has been removed to my device. If I click the search button and search for Evernote, you'll see I need to install it again. All right, I'm gonna click on install. So basically that's how you remove your Evernote using your Android. If you're using the iOS or your iPhone, now go to the homepage of and then from here, same with the Android process, just press and hold the app. There should be an option here that says delete the app. And all I have to do is click this trash icon. And it will ask you if you want to delete this app. All right, deleting this app will also delete its data, but any documents or data stored in iCloud will not be deleted. All right, so all I have to do is click the delete option. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.